Hey, good afternoon, everyone. This is Dave C., Indiana Radio 267 / Brownsburg. We are live from Brownsburg, Indiana, with your afternoon travel weather update. Lots of weather going on in different areas around us. So, a lot of them having to do with floods and flood warnings. So, we want to get to that. Uh, Please stay with us. We're going to try and take our time on this. So if you're traveling or in one of these areas, that you know what's going on. In Brownsburg, Indiana, it's currently cloudy and 44 degrees. Feels like it's 41 out. The winds are out of the east at 12 miles per hour. Humidity 68%. The sun's going to set tonight at 6:30 p.m. Low tonight dropping down to 43. Friday getting up to a high of 55, and Saturday showers and a high of 54. If your travels are taking you to Louisville, Kentucky, there is flood watch. It is cloudy. It is 49 degrees. Feels like it's 52 out. The winds are out of the east at 7 miles per hour. The humidity 74%. Sun's going to set at 6:29 p.m. Tonight, low down to 52. Friday, showers high of 70. And Saturday, high of 68 with showers. There is a flood warning. The flood warning continues for the Ohio River and McAlpine Upper until further notice. At 1 p.m. Thursday, the stage was 27 feet. Flood stage is 23 feet. Minor flooding is occurring and moderate flooding is forecast. The river will continue rising to near 34.4 feet by next Tuesday morning. Additional rises may be possible thereafter. Impact 34 feet. Bingham Way is closed at the floodgate. Forecast flooding increased from minor to moderate severity. The flood warning continues for the Ohio River and McAlpine Lower. At 1 p.m. Thursday, the stage was 58.2 feet. Flood stage is 55 feet. Minor flooding is occurring and moderate flooding is forecast. The river will continue rising to near 65.9 feet by Tuesday morning. Additional rises may be possible thereafter. Impact at 66 feet, the lock is closed and the floodgates at Riverport are also closed. There's an area flood watch through Sunday morning. The flood watch continues for portions of southern Indiana and central Kentucky through Sunday morning. Moderate to heavy rainfall is expected across the watch area early this morning. Additional rounds of showers and thunderstorms are expected late Thursday night through late Saturday night. An additional 2 to 4 inches of rainfall is expected through Sunday morning, which will result in excessive runoff and flooding. The rainfall, combined with already saturated soils, will lead to excessive runoff, of which will cause already swollen rivers to rise more. Significant and continued rises on the Ohio, Rolling Fork, Kentucky, and Green Rivers, as well as other area streams, are expected throughout the week and into the weekend. In southern Indiana, the Blue River and Muscattrack River may see significant rises later this week. Be very aware of that. If you're headed towards Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, there's a flood watch. It's cloudy, 39 degrees. Feels like it's 39 out. The winds are out of the north-northeast at 8. Humidity 76%. And the sun's going to set at 6:03 p.m. Tonight, you're looking at a low of 41. Friday, rain, high 62. Saturday, rain, high of 52. A flood watch remains in effect through Sunday evening for portions of western Maryland, east central Ohio, Pennsylvania, and West Virginia, including the following areas: In western Maryland, Garrett. In east central Ohio, Belmont, Carroll, Columbiana, Coshocton, Guernsey, Harrison, Jefferson, Monroe, Muskingum, Noble, and Tuscarawas. In Pennsylvania, Allegheny, Armstrong, Beaver, Butler, Clarion, Fayette, Fayette Ridges, Forest, Green. In Indiana, Jefferson, Lawrence, Mercer, Venatago, Washington, Westmoreland, and Westmoreland Ridges. In West Virginia, Brook, Eastern Preston, Eastern Tucker, Hancock, Marion, Marshall, Monongahela. In Ohio, ridges of eastern Monongahela and northwestern Preston, western Tucker, and Wetzel. Although rainfall amounts are expected to be light tonight, rainfall of 1.5 to 3.0 inches are possible through the weekend. The ground is very saturated and water levels in local streams remain high. A flood watch means there's a potential for flooding based on current forecasts. We're going to take a quick break here and we're going to come back. So stick with us. We're not going away for long.